I'm making pancakes. Oh! Looks like Monster Blood. Like, just kidding.
Is there a pancake batter on the floor over
ready?
here?
Ah!
Oh, look it. My hair goes.
Down, 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 down. This really does look like Monster Blood. We've created Monster Blood, Anna.
I eat the pancake batter.
She owns the thing.
We got it on the butter also.
Got it on my chin. Goals. No, best friend goals.
To eat pink pancake batter.
I don't even think it's green.
I know. That's my goal, to eat pink pancake. No, purple pancake batter. What, you don't want me to eat purple
No, she
pancake
farted.
batter? Ew.
I remember this song was playing the first time I rode that bus. Bridget's bus. It was so weird when I rode that bus. I used to ride it like every day.
No, you don't. It's sad.
No, I mean like when I was like in first grade. I remember I sat with Cole and Kaya.
I used to ride that motherfucking bus.
Yeah.
Oh my motherfucking god. I am the god of motherfuckers. Ouch!
Jesus. Fighting for this girl.
Arrows from the butt.
What the hell? And this is going to be some major cleaning for us.
You're my only, no need to worry.
The sky is falling. And you know what we're doing tonight? We're going to Aunt Stephanie's and we're going to do a bunch of Halloween stuff, right? I already said that.
Yeah, you did.
Pumpkins. Ah, look at my hand. Thug life.
Guess what?
This is like just the beginning.
Pancake people. Pancake partners.
This still isn't finished yet.
We are pancake partners.
For life.
Yep.
It's falling down. I need to look for